Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a review of a digital microscope. I get asked to review loads of different things, unbelievable things on my YouTube channel, and I don't do that many. This company have asked me if I'll review this digital microscope, which is something I'm interested in, so I said I would do it. I had microscopes when I was younger, old-fashioned ones with lenses in, but things have moved on a long way. They've sent me this microscope to keep its mine, to do whatever I want with it. That's the payment for doing the video, I suppose. So we'll open the box, see exactly what we'll get. The video will be exactly as it is. If I don't like it, I'll just say that's just the way I am. Everything straightforward and above board. Set of instructions and a user manual. That's obviously the display screen. Lots of wires, controller there, digital controller. Get all the bits out and get it assembled. Right, I'll read the instructions so I can put it together. Right, I've got the unit assembled. It was simple enough. It comes with a lead here with a switch on to turn it on and off. You need a power pack to run it, USB computer type power pack. It's got two lights at the bottom. They can be turned on and off by that, and you can also increase or reduce the brightness. Nice bright monitor screen. At the minute all it's looking at is the bottom of that. Now you can see my finger. It's got three different lenses for different magnifications. It's also got a box here with a light in, so you can put a slide on there and look at the slide. I'll have a look later on. There's a few slides with various bits and pieces on. We'll have a look at them. What I'm interested in is looking at probably parts that I'm going to be making or parts I'm trying to repair. And it's just a straightforward spanner there. Now I have got some bearings and I want to try and find out what the bearing numbers are, so I'll bring them in and have a look. There's a focus ring on there, so you get a nice bright image, nice clear image. You can also increase or decrease the magnification by winding that up and down a little rack on the back. The camera's not picking up the image quality of the screen as good as it actually is for the human eye. Some numbers there. My fingers aren't very pleasant, are they? There's an output on the back of the monitor where you can plug into and go straight onto HDMI on a big screen, and also go USB so you can put it onto a computer screen. There's also a little port on the back where you can put in a mini SD card so you can record video and you can record stills to play back later on. I think it's quite a splendid little device. And I think the uses for this in the workshop are definite. Getting spilks of metal out of fingers will be one of them. I've put a higher power magnification lens in now, and this is absolutely mind-blowing, this. Right, that's the picture there, and it's that actual roller bearing. Bring the focus back in. And you can really see the scratches and imperfections. That's quite incredible, that. Like I say, the camera doesn't do the monitor justice, but I'm sure you can get the gist of it. You can clearly see the writing there. This is the little SD card that comes with a microscope. Crystal clear once you focus it like that. And the little gold connectors. So this will be really good for people who collect old coins. That's incredible, that. So this onto a big HDMI screen will be absolutely fantastic. Like I say, you can record video, so you can go and play it back on your computer. That's amazing. This will adjust your magnification by lifting the lens up and down, and that one there is our fine focus. This is all nice. It feels nice, it's nice and stiff. It's going to be fairly rigid, but it's got a nice amount of resistance on it, and that focus ring feels absolutely gorgeous. Play around with the light and you use the shadows to your benefit as well. Right, to sum up, it's a really well built bit of kit. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. I've just scratched the surface, have a little bit play with it. I'm going to spend a lot more time, and I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of fun and enjoyment from this. There is 2 links in the video description for the Amazon links. If you want to go and buy one of these, go and buy one. But it's certainly got my seal of approval anyway. Thanks for watching.